For week 8, we are going to get into analyzing table data. So we are going to be using some features that come with tables. We're also going to be using some functions that basically look in larger data sets and extract data. The data sets don't have to be a table, but quite often they are used with tables. So you are going to learn how to filter a table, which involves using the drop-down arrows next to data you have converted into an Excel table. You're going to learn how to create your own custom filter and how to do advanced filtering. Then you're going to learn how to extract table data. So you're basically going to be pulling data out of a table and sticking it into a separate range in the same workbook, maybe a different worksheet. Just depends on how you set that up. You're going to learn how to look up values in a table. So you're going to be using VLOOKUP. You will also learn about HLOOKUP. And quite a few students have trouble with the lookup functions. So I did include a couple additional video resources. There are alternatives to using VLOOKUP. One of them is dget. And so I also included a video reference for that. And in case you get stuck on filtering, I've got some video references for that as well. You will also be learning how to summarize data and complete data validation. So you'll also notice I do have a video on data validation. In the chapter for this week, there are interactive exercises and videos that you can watch, exercises that you can do that will help you learn all of these skills. And the files for that are down here in this Module 8 zipped folder. Once you complete the textbook chapter, you're going to go through the Excel 8 training and testing, just like you do every week. Then we have our unit quiz, and we have the extra credit project. You will notice this week there is no discussion exercise. So for those of you who enjoy the discussion exercises, we will have one next week. And for those of you who don't enjoy them, you get a week off. So let me know if you run into any problems or if you have any questions. If you need anything clarified, please let me know, because we are getting into some more difficult functions and features.